Abronye and Sama almost say okay, Etia Sebi on my paying and IGP, no. And yes, Sama, and yes, and Papa said, SOMPA. But Abrofo can be yours, my mouth will be gone.
But I say Abrofo can be my mouth no be then.
Gone. Man, you too, and you too.
My mouth no be gone.
Gone. I will say, and yet, Casapapa, and now, I will say, okay, dear. But, treatment here, I will be a man, no. Seven, Ghana ha, oh, he did a crime, yes, I say, a man, sir. Okay. Fire. I would do it so that I try television should be
SOMPA FM.
Kevin a spa Nabia and the Black Maria Edward Sims Black Maria is principal cat here. I say me it's a year bonnet pan up here and Saka credible foul. Meanwhile, the world good and sack. And then some they could go court. Oh, much in pan at the good and sack. A woman some. And I mean, they can tell the crowd meeting. I would be posing for the big back and it tells you the dilemma.
Na say na we dey was say watro krata mu du e dey akwa koma abrofo no say sabri Ghana hano embassies no say arifa no say abrofo na ne sa say baby a wo se sia no ono no ne ahoban bo no enwe peye na osuro enti no say apostle akwa koche na say wo ebo ne ho ban o eno na me pa akire.
And I just say, me possibly, but the name said, really for me, no private in the night has in the number hot. Tazi, other Tazi, crowd. Next to talk of, say, yeah, pick up. Really for pick up the brave, I'm reducing one, but, Sabi, Bonino, I think it's all I do know. Will it be I say, yeah, commensurate. Treatment will be man. Sorry. You don't say I'm be man.
The Bonena with Dino. Any acquire or Mofaswa. One more a handle no. And said I'm fassa. But Nana said, Obi Echo can't ever gun has say. Ye IGP. Or you'll be a catas any project adokrona. Nana say some way, enya some way more do pay.
Oh, medical can say, and some no kind, and yes, some papa, and yes, some papa.
SOMPA FM.
Yeah, come on, can say.
All right, Ebusha for SOMPA 106.5 FM Suni. Of course, yes, we were having the interview, and then suddenly the lines went off. But we are trying very hard to make sure we re-establish contact with Nana so we can go ahead with this particular interview right here on SOMPA 106.5 FM for God and country. But now, Minia, Chaka, that okase.
Yes. Na me ka say enye de Abronye ye no enye se yesoso ne so na mmum niame bi a etwam ntia yete ye betumi abobɔ nipa bebre edin a sebe omo kansem e chen Abronye de no enso ye nya se aban bi e cover ana me boa
but what him say and no na sometimes I mean di hu ya.
Yes,
wa bra na momo aban mu no. There were actions you could have taken to stop this kind of social media misbehavior. And you overlooked it. And we almost said the cost of social media and almost stop one. And from so on, Mamini Nana, Mamini Kofi Kyeremeh, and we a interview na meneno na membra won chen wa. But to say Nana Kofi Kyeremeh, what kind of piece say? Aye kwan omofa so a wo mo de Abronye enam so no. Enya dia because we say we di bone die wa kan se mo ensem fata die ba asotwe ne die enya dia eto asubu na me bisa se o Council of Elders Committee amo bunu region sabre
okay Mavis respond na ya kosa ya appeal do
Mobile responded through a statement.
Yes,
from the Council of Elders, Bunu Region, New Patriotic Party.
Now,
obi bisa say na Abronye's subaya na wodane di ewo MPP amanyoku no no. Council of Elders amu Bunu Region. Anya bia no motimi frɛ no da kompo ene ne tenase. Ekasa kyerɛ ne sɛ menua kasa bi wɔ hɔ a wo ka egu party ne ho fi enti onyai
mpɛnfo ye gyanka ne mu entutu ka ne ne o kan mi abeka kyerɛ sɛ ya yesa be mpenu prensa pra but and so Abronye pen.
Efutu ne mo di bi man but one fa
said na e pen no. Na I don't say na e jada chidi and I say oje chemba bi.
Na bananai say wo kare say mo tunufo na one fa no te said de na momo pen no a na eno no asechire ne sen ebi wo ho a wo fa ebi wo ho a wo mfa na now at a particular point in time mo dwene ho say because mo na mo ye mpanyimfo a party ne mo da no wo Bunu region ho mo dwene ho say mo tunufo a mo de na kasa wontie anya bia no mo tworo krata bi di man say wanyai sa ne suban na Yadia Bunu Region Council of Elders Mube Yidin Sefi Mube Yimun Sefi Nase Anase Mube petition the National Council of Elders Muye Bibisa Ana
the party then she said Council of Elders you need to me I want that a regular chairman she say we are here to adeɛ so na say yeli said to me no na Council of kyerɛ de akɔkan de me no ka say ma kyerɛ me pensa de akɔ but party bureaucracy say no
SOMPA
we say bia amo fere na kasa ana se bia amo ye na yi no me yan ho bi sade
and na say according to your statement party bureaucracy eno na ema ho kwan ama krata wo tworo call ye no mpo no montimi anya emwaye papa bia emfree the National Council of Elders in chain.
To me no, to me no. We are one regional chairman, and so, and also we turn a more be said. We are one you say, no. I want, I'm paying for her, I want kind.
Nana, I know the Yatias you, Ura Kofi Yatias you, but who can say, Krata dear, one Casano, what Robert and Prince? And I would the aquaman penny for one crying, parting penny for one crying. Now, maybe so, what will you are no, how much rock Krata brew? Eka say, Krata na watch Rabano. I am part Wamusaka, no matter one among Anna.
No, could it be? And I'm here, Buffalo Party bureaucracy. If you okay, one copy with that. More severe. Yes, number 2.
Adamongo anamu pese me pacho. Anamongo anamu pese the National Council of Elders, and for that matter, the National Council, and as a neck of the New Patriotic Party. Anamongo anamu pese omutuno. Womu entime ntu saa na mo no saa na wo pa kire.
Oh, yeah. Me, for example, now be expected to say, we are on back to the back. Say, we are, there's a letter, no. You're my friend, or you're chairman. Now, you're not a casa. I say, be a big no.
SOMPA FM.
I'm a friend, and then a casa, yeah.
Okay, but Krata amudi amuchuro de ko ene de. Omanfa no ye bia ansan fan bremo as the Regional Council of Elders for the New Patriotic Party. Yo. Nana eba yebeda ase. Ya enfa nkobo nsi. Nyame sure so man ho kwan ma ene o edi nkobo. Why?
Yeah.
Yo.
Yeah.
Orako Kyeremeh. The chairman for the Bunu Regional Council of Elders New Patriotic Party. What you?